Do it yourself on your BMW E90. The window switch on the driver's side, it's been broken, and window does not go up or down. So I checked for this part on eBay, the whole switch, and I got it for like $50 US. Had it shipped to me in Toronto, and replacing it's not really a big deal. If you look on the side here, you will see those shiny clips. So I got a screwdriver, and I sort of dipped it in right to this spot here, and this other spot I popped it out. Then that's the old regulator, I mean the old control switch. This is the new one. This part is very important right here. You have to pull this little tab back. To release it, you pull this tab backwards. Let me 1 second. I'll just get it here for you. And it's like right at this spot here. 1 second. You lift it, and oh, okay, actually what you do, you press down on this tab where those vents are, you pull back, it pops right out, and then you lift it out, and you put the you pop the new one in, and then you pretty much just press it down back in place. Okay, and there we go, bingo, all done.